guys, it's Wendy Diamond, and today the Otters are here. Yay! I couldn't wait any longer. I love Otters. Okay, so the wait is over. Otters have come to Jamal. These cool new animals can explore all of Jamal lands and oceans, and they can be found in the diamond shop. Of course. Oh, hey, look! Solarcade sale. The Solarcade is the coolest place to play all the games in Jamal. It is having a sale for the next 2 weeks. Oh wow, 2 weeks. Every arcade machine is on sale for 50% off. That's cool. Alpha Spotlight TV. Born without a tail fin, Tavi met Graham and the other alphas on her search of the replacement. Oh, I don't really want to read all of that. Sorry, and these are the pictures. Aw, that's cute. Oh, that's cute. Oh, they're brother and sister, or sister and sister, or brother and brother. Whatever. Okay, so that's their pictures. There are like different pictures here. No, it's just the same pictures. Oh, wait. Whoop. Oh, I already pressed that. Wait. What? The video. Okay. Now, alright, so I'm gonna buy the Otter. How much diamonds do I have? Alright, so I have 10. Oh, look, somebody just bought it also. Okay. Let me buy it. Oh, so cute. Okay, so Duke. I'm just kidding. Enchanted, no. Fabulous, fairy, fauna, flora, fuzzy. Fuzzy! Yeah, fuzzy. Chunky, no. Cotton, no. Cute. Bird, no. Bunny, no. Camper, yeah. I'm a camper. Okay, what is this? An otter. Might have it in the O's. I don't know. Yeah, it does! Fuzzy cute otter. Yay! Bye. Alright, sorry about that. That's cute. That's cute. Wait. Oh. What is it? So cute, but I don't want the headdress on it. Ugh, looks kind of weird with the headdress. Yeah. Come on now. No, that's cute. Oh, that's cute. Also, that's better though. Oh, wait. No. That. Oh, that was cute. But no. How about that green? What is that green? This green. Okay. That looks cute. Oh, that looks cute. Weird. Oh, that looks kind of cute. Weird. Yeah, that looks cute. I'll go with that. No. No, it looks cute with that. Book bag. Oh no. What the? It looks so weird. Oh, how about ice? No. Yeah. Oh, how about this? All the animals look weird with the gloves and stuff. How about this? Oh, that looks kind of cute, but Whoa! Those new rearrangements for the trading. That's awesome! What the? So if I want to, if somebody trades me, wow. Here we go. have a full body less on me. Okay, so I'm going to show you the stuff that it does. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to zoom it in. Touchscreen computer. Hold on. Right there. Okay. No, no. Okay, just stay in one place. So, sit. 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 It looks cute when it sits. How about dance? Oh, it looks even cuter when it dances. Hop. Cute. Play. What? Okay. Now sleep. Looks like a doggy. Okay. Like a doggy. It's kind of weird. That's fine. Should I put more stuff on this? I don't know. What does this look like on it? That looks cute. This. 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 Let's go all the way down and see what this looks like. Whoa. How about my French fry hat? How about glasses? Man. Looks kind of weird. How about these boots? No. Yeah. Funny. Okay. How about this scarf? Oh, that looks cute. Yeah, keep that scarf on. I wish I had a like a neon green one. Ooh. Looks funny. Alright, so well, thanks for watching my video. I hope you liked it, and yeah, bye guys.